Okay, so now we will begin the installation process of the seats on the driver's side first, then after that on the passenger seat. So on the bottom you're gonna reconnect the wires, the yellow to the yellow and the black to the black. Once you get the clip, once you hear that sound on the clip, it's a good thing. I mean, it has been properly installed. Okay. Tight. Okay, that's secure. Let's move this forward now so I can access the back more easier. Okay. And I can install this. I'm gonna open the back of this door. This big bolt will go here. There was only one big bolt, and the big bolt will go here on this side. Now we're gonna put the cover. Okay. Now we're gonna do the passenger seat. Okay, now we're on the passenger seat. So we're gonna now start to install the connections. Yellow one. Remember the click, very important, just to make sure that it's secured properly. Here the click. Double check. Make sure that's not loose. Okay everybody, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be making more videos on your 2003 Ford Expedition XLT, and see you in the next video.